In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload PDF files into Claude.ai completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So you can do this with the free plan. You don't need to have an upgraded plan. And by uploading PDF files, you can do a lot of things, like for example, creating automatic summaries. You can also compare multiple documents. You can extract data. You can translate any document, or if you have any task on a PDF file, you can upload it as well. And this AI will help you. So all you need to do is create your account and log in. Then you will see this plus icon. Click right there and you will see the option to upload a file. So click there and select a file from your computer. In my case, I have this file sample. So now you can ask him like anything, for example, analyze this file and tell me what it's about. Now it will take a few seconds and it will basically do whatever you have told him to do. In my case, it did a very quick resume and it basically analyzed everything. This is the sample file I told him to analyze. As you can see, this is just like a sample PDF. It doesn't really contain any information at all. And now I told him to give me real life examples of what this AI can do with PDF files. And you got some ideas right here. So with AI, the options are basically endless. As you can see, it can help you with your business, anything financial related. As I don't know, you can have endless ideas with this AI. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.